Hey, Will, bro. Keisha want to talk to you. Talk to Keisha, bro. Gio, Keisha want to talk to you, bro. Talk to Keisha. She want to talk to you, bro.
What's up, Keisha?
Yeah.
Talk to bro.
It's a girl. How you gonna call her bro?
Oh yeah. I seen people call girls bro, right?
Keisha said she want to talk to you, cuz.
Hey, what up, baby? What's up?
Alright, man, so I'm getting a late start to the vlog. You know what I'm saying? Real late start. Had a long day at work today. I didn't get much sleep last night at all. And I had to be at the shop today at 10 a.m. And it was a drag at first. But shout out to Hammer Down Nutrition, man. Y'all came through with the shake and the gummy bear too with the pomegranate lift off. That got me right. Now I'm feeling good today. Now, I'm at barber school. I done already clocked in. Shout out to my boy Melvin. He done got me a gold brush. This is the best thing ever. This is the best thing since toaster strudels. You know what I'm saying? This is legendary. Appreciate it, Mel. This man got the gold cordless. Y'all see this? Hold on, wait. You gonna be in the thumbnail? Yep, yes sir, yes sir. That's the thumbnail. Ew, this boy got the motherfucking car. Rocky, look at these, bro.
They was 413 and that.
Golly. Got the gold everything, bro. Except for that little bracket.
I got hooked up because of these.
The cameras.
New ones?
How much you want for these?
Back to me, bro.
How much you want for these, Mel?
I'm putting 500 into it.
500? That's what's up.
I'll give you 300 for these right now. I'll give you 500. I'll give you 500 for them right now.
500. 500?
500 for these, right?
He capping on live. I'll do it.
Rock like, nah, I know you capping. Look, I'm gonna be honest with y'all, right? These things right here got some power. Do y'all hear that? Oh, don't mind me. So, I want to show y'all something. This is Keisha right here. Got the beard and some other things. What'd you say, instructor, sir?
I need you to get your smock on, your name tag, my brother.
So no more horse playing.
Yeah, blogging time's over.
You look like a millionaire too.
Yo, low key, this boy Gio used to have a family channel. Let me know if y'all recognize him. Do y'all recognize this man right here? What was that? Shout it out. What was the fam? What was it called?
ANG fam.
ANG fam. Apparently he was getting hundreds of thousands of views. I said, dang, my brother, you gotta teach me the sauce. Do it. That's content. Do it. Please do. So I can get on YouTube and claim it. You're already in my next video. I don't even know, bro.
You skipping steps?
He dry? No, he ain't dry.
Oh, okay.
She's not dry.
She.
My girl's never dry. Alright, y'all, man. So I really didn't do much at all today. Like I say, cut some hair, came to school. Classmates in the back, yes, sir. I don't know. I might carry this on until tomorrow. So I don't know, but that's gonna cut it, man. If you guys enjoyed this one, go ahead and leave a like. Go ahead and hit the bell to notify you every single time I drop a new video. Make sure you subscribe as well, because if you aren't subbed, there's no reason why you shouldn't have subbed yet. So subscribe, or else.